Hey brother, thank you for your comment. I agree with you 100%. That's the whole point of automation in our facility, is to help the human, be a human assistant, okay? I'm someone who wakes up every day looking to make American manufacturing the best in the world. I look to make jobs every day. I look to help humans be safer and work better, and I think that's the point of automation, okay? America is obviously progressing. We're progressing beyond tools, and we're moving into robots. The term robot, it's a little bit scary term for some people, but I can promise you in our facility, we have no need, no want to replace the human.